I gotta show you what I got today. I ordered this on Sunday. I actually got it yesterday, but I haven't opened it yet. I bought a slot mortise template set for the Pantorouter. And what this came with was a tape measure for helping you center your slots. Some nice color brochures, pictures telling you how to use it. Even came with a Pantorouter sticker. In this set, it has 2 of the slot mortise guides, so I can do a horizontal slot, and 4 stops so that if you want to do a certain size stop, dado, or groove, then you can use these as stops and some extra screws. So I'm looking forward to putting this on, this saw. Like I said, I made this table so that I can put the clamps in here. I could clamp something up on edge, plunge in and cut a slot. So let me attempt to do that and I'll show you what happens.